Is it not desirable to have TDS rate chart of multiple financial years conveniently accessible? Easy access to deduction rates is indeed handy. For instant reference on any TDS section. It is particularly helpful in case of multiple rates for the same section. For rectifying short deduction, especially for earlier years, this is useful. TDSMAN values your time and addresses small concerns like quick references to TDS rates. Simply select the TDS section and the financial year. Instantly, the TDS rate is displayed. In case rates have changed during the year, all are instantly retrieved. TDSMAN thrives on the trust of its user family. It values your time and makes it simple. Download free trial now. Visit www.tdsman.com.